यही था कि हमको विश्व परिवर्तन
We had this awareness that we have to bring world benefit.
वो मेरे सहयोगी आत्मा
And we children are the cooperative companions of the Father, and Baba used to have this vision of us. We are world transformers, we are deities. These ones will go and become deities, and Baba used to see us in this way and sustain us like that.
नहीं, हमको इस जन्म में जो अतीन सुख की बाबा के पालना की अनुभूति होती थी,
of giving us the experience of supersensuous joy, and so we used to consider the golden age to be the second number. We used to consider this birth of the confluence age as number one. So anything that Baba used to say, there's 1 year or 2 year or anything, we used to enjoy the confluence age, and now it is like a diamond, and there it will be like gold. And so the attainment and knowledge that we have now, we won't have that. Then it will be merged. And so, right from the beginning, Brahma Baba's sustenance and knowledge, and we had the value of time. We never used to think, oh, there's been so much time has passed. Even now, I think as much time there is in the confluence age, that much better it is. We never had the thought that we have to go out somewhere. We had so much deep love for Baba and Mama, and we would never imagine that we could become separate from them. It was a big thing. So to leave Mama and Baba and to go out, where will we go, how would we go? And at that time, we felt it a bit difficult to leave Mama and Baba. And we used to say to Baba, Baba, if you say to die, but we're not ready to leave Mama and Baba and go far away. But Baba used to fill a lot of strength in us. And you are rivers. What is the task of rivers? If you won't go out, then you won't be a river. You will be like a pond. And in the ponds, there are mosquitoes, there is stagnant water. So do you want to be a stagnant water pond, or do you want to be a river? And so who would say that they want to be stagnant water? We used to consider ourselves to be rivers. And so because of that, finally, we did leave Mama and Baba. We had so much love for Baba. And so to not obey Baba's instructions, also we couldn't do that. And so we followed Baba's instructions and went out. And so first there was love, and there was also faith. If Baba said, then it meant that we have to do it. It doesn't matter what happens, even if we had to tolerate. But in front of Baba's love, it wasn't a big thing to tolerate. So we didn't know that we had to go to Lucknow. We didn't even know what a train was. And so Baba said that if the blind people were able to find Multan, then you children who have so much knowledge, you can find your destination. And so with that zeal and enthusiasm, Baba said that there is love and faith, and so it will definitely happen. So we used to go first to a religious rest house. We weren't invited anywhere. When we got off the train in the station, we didn't know where to go. So first we stayed in the religious guest house, and then we met a mother, and they invited us, and they told us, why don't you go to the chief minister
तो हमने
and
सोचा कि
request
भगवान ने हमको भेजा है,
a place,
तो
but
असंभव
actually
चीज
it's
तो होती
impossible.
नहीं।
So we thought, well,
और
actually
कहने
God
वाले
has
जो
sent
थे
us,
हमको
and
राय
there is
देने
nothing
वाले,
that's
वो
impossible.
समझते थे ये
Those who were
कुमारियाँ
advising
क्या
us,
कर सकती
they
हैं,
thought
और
that
मजाक
these young
करते थे
girls,
हमारे
what will they
ऊपर।
be able to
लेकिन
do?
हमको
They
निश्चय
used to
था
laugh
कि
at
बाबा
us.
हमारे साथ है,
But
ये चीफ
we
मिनिस्टर
had the
उसके भगवान
determined
के आगे
faith
क्या
that
बड़ी
Baba
बात
is
है।
with us.
तो हम
And so in
उसी
front of
निश्चय से
God,
गए
what
भी,
is a chief minister?
और चीफ
And so with
मिनिस्टर
that
से
faith we
मिले,
went,
और
and the
उसी
chief
समय
minister,
सेक्रेटरी को
we met
कागज
him,
न दे करके
and
वहीं उस
right at
चीफ
that
मिनिस्टर
time
से लिखाया
he
कि
told the
3 मास के
secretary,
लिए इनको MLA क्वार्टर
for
में
3
छुट्टी
months,
दीजिए। तो
let them
हमने
stay
देखा
in
कि
the MLA
निश्चय और
quarters.
प्यार सहयोग देता है,
And so
और
we
चीफ
saw
मिनिस्टर
that
भी जैसे
faith
भगवान की
and love
प्रेरणा
gives
के पीछे जैसे
cooperation,
परवश था,
and it
आगे
was as
बढ़ने
if the chief
चाहता था
minister
लेकिन
was
बढ़ नहीं सकता था।
influenced by
हम
God's
बाबूजी
love,
बाबूजी
that
कहते
he
थे,
wanted
वो
to
बच्चियां बच्चियां
go
कहते थे,
forward, but he couldn't.
लेकिन सभी
And
देख
we
रहे
used to
थे।
say,
तो ये
Father,
कौन
Father
सी
to him,
छोटी
and he used to
कुमारियां
say,
हैं।
Children, children to us.
हमारी ड्रेस भी
And people
साड़ी
around would
वगैरह
see,
नहीं
who are
थी,
these young
फ्रॉक
girls?
और सिंधी
We didn't have
ड्रेस थी,
saris at
तो
that
हम
time. We had
सबसे न्यारे
like
भी लग रहे
a
थे,
frock and
लेकिन
trousers,
हमारे
and
में
so
योग
we
की
looked
शक्ति,
very different
निश्चय
from
का
everyone.
वो बल था,
But we had the
इसीलिए
power
वो
of
प्राइम
yoga,
मिनिस्टर जो है
of
वो
faith,
खुद ही
and
कहता
so
था
this
तो
is
ये
why
असंभव
the
असंभव
Prime
कैसे होगी,
Minister
लेकिन
said, how can
बाबा
this
ने
impossible
असंभव से
task be
संभव करा दिया।
possible? But in fact, Baba made the impossible possible.